Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hades on PC. Hades is an acclaimed roguelike action game available on various PC platforms like Steam and the Epic Games Store. First, ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements, which are quite modest. Then, simply purchase and download the game from your chosen digital storefront. You'll be ready to dive into the underworld in no time, facing challenging foes and uncovering a rich story. Once Hades is installed, mastering the basic controls is key to survival. You'll use the WASD keys for movement, while your mouse controls aiming. Your primary attack is left-click, and your powerful special ability is right-click. Remember to use the spacebar frequently for dashing, which is crucial for avoiding enemy attacks. Your cast ability is on Q, and your powerful call is on E, offering strategic options in combat. As you progress through the underworld, you'll encounter Olympian gods who offer powerful boons, granting temporary abilities for your current run. Back at the House of Hades, spend Darkness at the Mirror of Night to unlock permanent stat boosts and new talents, making you stronger for future attempts. Keys are essential for unlocking new infernal arms, and gemstones allow you to renovate the house, revealing new features and characters. To truly succeed in Hades, remember to experiment with all 6 unique infernal arms and the countless boon combinations to discover your preferred playstyle. Prioritize dodging and understanding enemy attack patterns. Defense is often the best defense. Don't be discouraged by death. Each run provides valuable experience, new story elements, and resources to make you stronger. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the journey through the underworld.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.